What's going on, guys? We're back at it again. Alright, as you can see, I came home to this mess right here in my driveway. You know, you come home and you see underneath your Mercedes Benz and it's just got a mess all underneath it. Alright, I'm going to show you guys pretty much why this has happened. Alright guys, we're here back at the top of the engine. Got the hood open. That's the power steering fluid cap we're looking at. It's all wet back there behind it. I'm going to show you where that's coming from. Okay. Let me see here. Where are we at? There we go. You can see that? That's all wet back here. There's an O-ring back there. Okay. That O-ring will get hard and brittle and start leaking. Alright, so what we got to do is take that out of there. Now, there's a bolt right here we got to take loose. Right there, that bolt's got to come out. And back there on that, there is a little C-clip, a circle clip. We can pop that out. And watch out for the power steering fluid because it will come out. But we're going to go ahead and take this little bolt out right here and come back to you on when we go to get ready to pull the C-clip out. Alright, back at you. Alright, we're behind the power steering fluid tank here. Let me show you. So that's facing the engine from the front looking back. Come around behind. Remember that C-clip I was telling you about? Well, that's it. That is the C-clip right there. I'm try to point at it. See if we can see it. Alright, right there. This clip right here. We had to remove this clip out this way. To go this way with the clip. Okay? Direction my finger's going. And that'll undo the clip. And our O-ring is inside of here. Okay, you see how it's all wet down here? That's our leak right here. Alright, our tank is leaking because of this O-ring went bad. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pop that out for you. I'm going to get some tools. I probably could do that on camera, so I'm going to go back, get some tools. We'll be right back at you. Alright, we're back. I got a little flathead screwdriver. I'm going to try to sneak in here and pop that out of there. Don't know if we're going to be able to get it right now or not, but just work the screwdriver in there. Don't want to lose that clip either. Probably like $1 million clip or something, you know. Alright, you just seen that. The ring popped out and it fell down in the abyss down there somewhere. Man, now we gotta go fish it out. But that's alright. Alright, well we haven't found that ring, but we're gonna go ahead and try to get this off of here. See that? Look at that. As you see that thing. And I have a drain pan down below. Alright, let's get this tank up out of the way. You can see what's going on here. Alright, you see that right there? That's the O-ring that's gone bad right there. That's the bad O-ring. Okay? It feels kind of hard and barely. See that? It's all dried out right here. That's our leak. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and come back at you as soon as I find this clip. And let me show you the new Let me show you the new O-ring. That way you guys can go ahead and get that on order. Right here. That's what I bought. I purchased this off of Amazon. It had like, I think maybe a few reviews on it. But yeah, Amazon had it. Next day. Alright, they're not paying me to say this, but I wish they were. Shout out to Amazon. Next day. Alright, so we're going to get back down in here. We're going to look for this clip that I popped out. And clean this up. Like I said, you can see the drain pan down below. I'm going to check that for that clip. And we'll be back at you. Alright, we're back. I found that circle clip. There it is right there. It actually ended up on top of my wheel well. Here's our new O-ring. Okay, look at that. It's like a contour shape. Alright, so it's not really like a regular O-ring. It's actually molded a little bit. It does have some contour to it. So I'm just going to slide this over here. You notice I am not using my thumbs. Don't use your thumbs. Okay, because you could end up rolling that. Okay, and then it won't seal. Alright, so you can see how I got that on there. Alright, nice. Alright, so we got to get this tank back in place. We got the O-ring set. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to see it's got a little channel right here. Alright, little channel right here. This tank has to fit in perfectly. Alright, I'm only doing this one-handed, okay? So see if we can get this in there. One-handed. Make sure we line up that O-ring down there. Look at that. And it's in there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our little screw back in the front. Alright, right here. Okay, now I know that's a special head on there. Okay, I'm going to hear it from everybody. I did use an 8mm to get that out. Okay, and it came out just fine. Alright, here's the actual 8mm that I did use. Okay, see that? Alright, we're back. Here's what I did. I went ahead and pushed this in as far as I could. This direction, okay? This way, right here. I pushed it back. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up. Okay, we still have not put in our clip yet in the back. There, it just fell down in the bucket again. So we got to go fish that out. Alright. Tightening this up. Okay, getting that nice and snug. Alright, let me go down there and fish out this seat clip here. Alright, here's our clip. We got our clip back. Alright, here we are. We're back at it. You can see that's where we got to go right here. So I got my clip in my fingers. Okay, just like this. And I'm just going to try to slide it right on top of there. I got the bucket to catch it if it falls again. Alright. So I'm gonna need something to help me push that on there. I don't have enough leverage from where I'm at. Okay, but you just push it on there. Alright, that's it. This little clip. Just push it and it'll go in there. If I had two hands, I could probably get that on there. Alright, I'll be back at you. I'm just going to use my other hand. With my two hands. Alright, it was snapped in place. I heard a nice audible click. Alright, and then I got this front bolt here. Nice and tight. We'll just snug it up here. Let me see where we're at. Looking through the camera lens again. Alright, there we go. You see that wasp over here? Check that guy out. You see him? Woof. That would have been fun, right? Alright, so we got everything on. We got our gasket in place. Here's the culprit right here. Okay. That's the old one. Alright. We're going to put some fluid back in this thing. and we'll be back at you. Alright, we're back. We got the engine running. We're looking for any leaking coming out of there. It's looking pretty good, not leaking at all. Alright, you would definitely see it coming out of there. I refilled it. It's nice and full, it's all topped off. And we're good to go. So we solved this problem. It cost about, I'd say, $8 for this little O-ring I got out of Amazon, like I said earlier. Hopefully this helps somebody. This is probably the same situation on many different Mercedes. This particular one is a 2005 ML350 or W163. But yeah, this is probably the same situation on different models, just different screw patterns and whatnot. But most likely you'll have the same O-ring leaking on your power steering pump tank. Alright, well, this one's done, ready to go. Alright, please like, subscribe, and share.